Olive oil 100 milliliters. Welcome to the Cooking Hamsters channel. Half a teaspoon of spice for pork. Half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of paprika. And the same amount of ground black pepper. 3 cloves of garlic for flavor. You simply can't imagine how happy I am that people from all over the world are watching me. It's so interesting to communicate with people from all over the world. Oh, how I love this smell.
Take a good piece of pork weighing
approximately 600 grams. Pork is beneficial because it is a rich source of complete proteins, B vitamins, especially B1, iron, zinc, and healthy fats, which supports energy, muscle maintenance, and the normal functioning of the nervous system. Pound on both sides. Meat is pounded to make it softer and juicier by breaking down tough fibers and allowing spices and marinades to penetrate better. Now, let's marinate our pieces of meat. Ideally, leave it in our seasonings for some time. This way we will enhance and reveal the flavor. Vegetable oil. And let the pan heat up for now. Meanwhile, let's chop 1 onion. To be honest, I didn't like onions before. But onions are beneficial because they strengthen immunity, improve digestion, and possess natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Let's fry it until translucent. Are you interested in what I'm telling you? Share your opinion in the comments. Champignon mushrooms, 200 grams. Champignon mushrooms are beneficial because they contain easily digestible protein, B vitamins, potassium, and antioxidants, supporting immunity, metabolism, and heart health. Let's add our mushrooms to the onions. One yellow tomato. Yellow tomatoes are beneficial because they are rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and contain less acid, which makes them milder for the stomach and supports skin health and immunity. Half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. Cream 100 milliliters. Cream, added to onions and mushrooms during frying, makes the sauce softer, creamier, and richer, emphasizing the mushroom flavor and giving the dish a delicate texture. 1 red tomato. Red tomatoes are beneficial because they contain lycopene, vitamins A and C, which support immunity, heart, and skin health, and also have a powerful antioxidant effect. Let's sear our meat for 1 minute on each side in a well-heated pan. This way we will preserve the juiciness of the meat. Isn't that a beautiful color? Cheese 150 grams. Let's add our fried onion and mushrooms to the cheese. And don't forget about the tomatoes. Mayonnaise 50 grams. And mix everything thoroughly. (200°C and 30 minutes). Enjoy your meal.